Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about a transformative force in the manufacturing world, industrial automation. As we step into the future, industrial automation is reshaping the way we produce goods. It's not just about replacing human labor, it's about enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and safety. Imagine a factory where machines communicate with each other, optimizing processes in real time. This is not science fiction, it's happening right now. With the integration of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and robotics, businesses can streamline operations and reduce costs significantly. For instance, automated systems can handle repetitive tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative activities. This not only boosts productivity but also improves job satisfaction. Now, you might wonder, what are the benefits of industrial automation? Well, let's break it down. Increased efficiency. Automated systems can operate 24/7 without breaks, leading to higher output rates. Enhanced quality control. With precise algorithms and sensors, automation minimizes errors and ensures consistent product quality. Safety improvements. Robots can take on dangerous tasks, reducing workplace accidents and protecting human workers. However, it's essential to remember that industrial automation is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each business must evaluate its unique needs and challenges. Investing in automation requires careful planning and consideration of factors like workforce training and system integration. Speaking of training, it's crucial to upskill your workforce. As automation takes over mundane tasks, employees will need to adapt to new roles that require more advanced skills. This is an opportunity for growth, not a threat. So, if you're a business owner or a decision maker in your organization, I encourage you to explore the possibilities of industrial automation. Embrace this change and position your company for success in a rapidly evolving market. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content on industrial innovations, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about how we can harness the power of automation together.